What is the real meaning of cabbage dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these type of dreams. So there are some common types of cabbage dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If someone sees cabbage in a dream, then it indicates good luck, prosperity and success in any work, project or planning very easily. Or any of your big wishes is going to fulfill soon without any delay. Now number 2. If someone sees holding a cabbage in his or her hands in a dream, then it indicates the upcoming good time in which you will make lots of progress that will change your life completely in positive ways. Now number 3. If a sick person sees cabbage in a dream, then it indicates an improvement in health very soon, or any kind of disease is going to be cured very soon. Now number 4. If someone sees harvesting cabbage in a dream, then this dream also indicates the upcoming good time in which you will get respect and success from all sides in life. Now number 5. If a married woman sees cabbage in her dream, then this dream indicates any kind of great success for her husband as well as herself also. Now number 6. If a pregnant woman sees cabbage in a dream, then this dream is also considered very auspicious and indicates a healthy baby with normal delivery. Now number 7. If someone sees cutting or cooking cabbage in a dream, then it indicates that you will get many opportunities for success in life with monetary gains. Now number 8. If someone sees buying cabbage in a dream, then it indicates sudden monetary gains or wealth in real life. Now number 9. If someone sees spoiled or rotten cabbage or worms in cabbage in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning not to start any new and risky project now, because this is not the right time to start something new. So to avoid any kind of problems, you should cross-check your planning before executing to get the desired result in real life. Now number 10. If someone sees eating cabbage in a dream, then it indicates that any of your big wishes is going to be fulfilled soon, which you have been waiting for a long time, as well as this dream also suggests sudden monetary gains due to past hard work. Now number 11. If someone sees a white cabbage in a dream, then this dream is considered very auspicious and indicates any kind of sudden profit in the term of money, as well as you are also going to face lots of positive changes in your personality due to spiritual awakening and self-discovery. Now number 12. If someone sees cooking cabbage in a dream, then it indicates good luck and success in your project, work or planning due to your creative power or creativity. Now number 13. If someone sees a crop of cabbage or a field of cabbage in a dream, then it indicates success from all around in life, and this is the time of celebration because now you are going to get the fruits of your past hard work and deeds. Now number 14. If someone sees cabbage salad or eats cabbage salad in a dream, then it indicates positive changes with monetary gains in life. But if you cut cabbage salad in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to save your money as much as possible. Otherwise, you can face any kind of money related problems in the upcoming days. Now number 15. If someone sees green cabbage in a dream, then it indicates success and progress in business, job, etc. with huge profit.